Are you ready? Well, that was a bad start, wasn't it? Ready? Good hit. Good hit. You like this side, huh? Oh, you caught that one. You're going to drop it. You're going to drop it. You're going to drop it. You're going to drop it? Yes, you're going to drop it. How did I know that? How did I know you were going to drop it? Good hit. That was a left-hander. That was another left-hander. I don't know what that was. I think that was two hands. Two paws. Two-paw hit. That was a lousy throw. You hit it, but I didn't throw it very good. You silly pie. You're a silly pie. Good hit. Left paw. Good hit. Left paw. You ready? You ready? You want a pet first? You want a pet first? You want a pet first? Huh? You want a pet? You want a little rest? You want a little rest, mighty boy? No, no, you don't play with my string on my jacket. You ready to go? Good hit. Good hit. Left paw. Good hit. Left paw. That was two paws. That was a two-paw hit. Are you ready? Left paw. Good hit. Up. Does that mean you need another pet? Does that mean you're done? Good hit. Good hit. I think you're getting tired. I think you're getting tired, Miss Pie. Oh, you're going to play over here now. Oh. You got bored with that chair, huh?